Hi, let's pretend you're in Germany, walk in the street and meet somebody you wanna greet. What would you say? This is what we're talking about in today's video, greetings in German. Herzlich willkommen auf unserem Kanal Germansy, hier spricht wieder Germansy und ich bin Deutschlehrer vom Beruf. Let's start with learning some ways of greeting people in German. Seid ihr bereit? Los geht's! To greet somebody in the morning, you can say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Gut means good, and Morgen, you can guess correctly what it means. Morgen is morning. Guten Morgen is good morning. Guten Morgen. During the day until early evening, you can say Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Tag is day. Guten Tag, a good day. Guten Tag. Now when I tell you evening in German is Abend. Abend. Would you please tell me how to greet someone in the evening in German? Yes, it is Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Haben Sie das Geld dabei? And by the way, you can say anytime during the day, Hallo. Hallo. It is pretty like hello in English, but we replace the E with an A. Hello. Hallo. Hallo. Now we're done with greetings, but what would you say when you leave or go to bed? Well, in formal situations we say Auf Wiedersehen. Wieder means again, and sehen is the verb to see. Auf Wiedersehen has the meaning of goodbye in a formal way. By the way, on the phone, when you're ending a call, you can say Auf Wiederhören. Was ist der Unterschied zwischen Auf Wiedersehen und Auf Wiederhören? Auf Wiedersehen, the verb sehen is to see. The verb hören is to hear. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiederhören. With your family and friends, you can use the informal word Tschüss. Tschüss. And what to say before going to bed? Well, we say Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Nacht is night, so Gute Nacht is good night. Gute Nacht. And here is another phrase which means see you soon or see you later. See you soon is bis bald. Bis bald. Bald is soon. Bis bald is see you soon. Or you can say bis später. Bis später. Später is later. Bis später, see you later. Bis später. So, let's recap. To greet someone in German we say Guten Morgen. Guten Tag. Guten Abend. Oder du kannst einfach sagen Hallo. And when you leave, you can say Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiederhören. Tschüss. Gute Nacht. Bis bald. Oder bis später. So dear friends, let's play a game. Now I will show you some different situations and you will tell me which greeting is the suitable one. Ready? Los geht's! Guten Morgen. Tschüss. Auf Wiederhören. So dear friends, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please consider subscribe and you can share the video with your family and friends who are interested in learning German. Thank you so much for watching and your support and I'll see you next time. Macht's gut, schönen Tag noch, tschüss. Wait a second. Have I just said tschüss? And you know what it means, right? So you can say it back? Tschüss.